Hey there and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about three more candlestick patterns. First, we're going to talk about shooting star. Then we are going to talk about inverted hammer and lastly about harami pattern. This video continues the topic of my previous videos, so if you want to start from the beginning, you can watch the above video. The sections of this video are as follows. First, we are going to talk about what is these candlestick patterns. Then we are going to talk about which conditions will intensify these patterns. Then we have some real examples on a real chart. And after that, I'm going to introduce our MetaTrader 5 tools which we have made for you to make trading easy and efficient. Feel free to skip to any of these sections, but I recommend to watch the video from the beginning. So let's begin. Alright, let's first start with shooting star pattern. For shooting star pattern, first we should have an uptrend. And after that, the shooting star candle should be extended at the end of this uptrend. The real body should be less than 25% of the candle size. The upper wick should be extended too. And there can't be any lower wick, or it can be a tiny one, maybe 4 or 5 points. The real body of this candle is not important. And after that, the downtrend starts. Alright, now let's move on to today's second pattern. Second pattern is inverted hammer. For this pattern, first there should be a downtrend and the inverted hammer candle should be extended. The real body should be around 25% to 50%. And the upper wick should be extended too. There can't be any lower wick, or there should be just a tiny one, like 4 or 5 points. The real body's color is not important. After all of these conditions, an uptrend starts. Alright, now let's have a brief explanation about today's third pattern. Third pattern today is harami. The harami pattern can occur at the end of an uptrend or at the end of a downtrend. For the bullish pattern, first condition is that there should be a downtrend because this pattern is a reversal pattern, and for bullish one it should happen at the end of a downtrend. Then the last candle of this downtrend should be an extended candle which has a very large candle size and more than 75% real body. Right after that candle, another candle comes to the game, which is a small, tiny candle which is completely inside the real body of that extended candle. The real body of this candle should be tiny. The total size of this candle should be tiny at the same time. So the best condition for it is a doji candle. This pattern shows indecision in the market, so the market trend will likely change afterward. We have the completely opposite situation for a bearish harami. Now let's move on to the next section and talk about what conditions can intensify these patterns. For shooting star, we have three conditions. First, the more the upper shadow is extended, and the second is the body is smaller or even a doji. The third condition which can intensify this pattern is that there is a gap between the last candle of the uptrend and between the candle which is shooting star. So a gap shows that market had a really good power, but indecision came to the market afterward. About inverted hammer, we can say as much as the upper wick is smaller, the pattern is more powerful. The second one is the body is bigger. This means as much as the real body is bigger, this candle has more power to reverse the trend. I know that if the real body gets bigger and bigger, this pattern is not inverted hammer anymore. But a bigger body at the end of this downtrend will show that the market has changed its opinion and now the buyers are taking the control of the price. The last condition is if there is a gap between the last downtrend candle and the inverted hammer candle. A gap will show the power of sellers in the market that is changed and now the control is with buyers in the market. For harami pattern, there are two conditions that can intensify this pattern. As much as the left candle is extended. Because after a really big bearish candle, and a small candle inside of it will show a big indecision in the market. The second condition is as much as the harami candle is smaller, it has more power because it shows a bigger indecision in the market. Now let's see some real examples on the chart. Alright, let's start with these three signals on EUR/USD chart 1 hour time frame. You can see two inverted hammer at the down of these two trends and a shooting star here at this uptrend, which price after that started to move down. In this example, you can see a bullish harami. This is a tiny candle inside of an extended bearish candle. You can see a gap before it shows the power of sellers in the market, and you can see right after that the uptrend started. Alright, in this section I want to introduce you our products. In this picture you can see all the products we have made ready for you. You can see some ICT or SMC indicators. Our best product is this trade manager. It has some different sections like trade, prop firm, alert, time, analytics, and news. And in each of them, you can set a lot of limits, set some alerts, or trade efficient in the market. For example, the trade window has open, manage, close, and more. And in this picture, you can see all of those tabs. You can enter, you can set a break even, a trailing stop, you can have a partial close, you can see your orders, your positions one by one, and you can close positions in different ways. Close all of them, close profits, close losses, buy orders, sell orders, or close by magic number. You can find these products from the first link in the description or the first pinned comment below. If you don't know how to buy a product on mql5.com, you can watch the above video. This is the full tutorial for you to find out how you can buy a product on mql5 website. So in this video we'll learn about three more patterns, which were shooting star, inverted hammer, and harami. We learned which conditions can intensify these patterns. We saw some real examples on real charts, and now you can use these patterns for your entries. I have to mention that these candlestick patterns are not good enough to just trade based on them, but you should combine them with your own strategy to have a better entry. At last, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.